Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we have a Peruvian recipe, honey for picarones. The ingredients below in the info box. You're going to need panela, one cup of brown sugar, 4 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, and 2 cups of water. Now let's get started. In a pot we're gonna place the water, 4 cloves, and the cinnamon stick, and we're gonna bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, you will cut the panela into small pieces, and then you will add it to the water with the 4 cloves and cinnamon. We're gonna stir and place the heat between a medium and slow. And we're going to add 1 cup of brown sugar little by little. When it begins to bubble, we're gonna stir very fast, and you can lower the heat a little until the honey gets slightly thick. Now we are going to pour in a heat-resistant glass container. Use a strainer to keep the 4 cloves and the cinnamon stick out of the honey. And we are ready to use. You can use the honey for pancakes, waffles, and of course for the Peruvian picarones. The recipe for the picarones very soon here on my channel. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She's my partner in crime every Wednesdays with my recipes, and she has her own videos every Saturday. Here you have my social media. Please subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, and watch my last videos. See you next time. Bye bye.